Welcome, Raspberry Pi users. Today I'm going to show how you can start with external computer, download an image, write it into a yellow flash drive, plug the flash drive into the Raspberry Pi that's in the center, boot the Raspberry Pi, then plug in this SSD. It's a U-green case. Yeah, it says U-green on it. Has an NVMe 2 stick in it. Here, I can show you, I think. This case it's a crucial NVMe stick, and once the Raspberry Pi is booted from this USB stick with the 4 shell script files, you can plug this you can plug in this USB SSD and transfer the files from this yellow one over to here, edit some configuration files right here, and then you power down, pull this out, and turn the Raspberry Pi back on, power it back on, reboot, and voila, you got a workstation right here. That's all you need. Well, Ethernet cable would help too. So, you can go from nothing to a workstation running GhostBSD-Arm, which is based on FreeBSD. Have all the networking, have 30,000 programs, packages you can download, and learn a lot about networking, and be great training for a university student. But it's also good enough for a young kid to surf the web, play YouTube videos, because this does play sound out the HDMI connector right here. This HDMI, that's the power connector. HDMI, it's the second one. I don't know if this works on Raspberry Pi, but I don't know if it's set up yet to work. This happens to be a FLIRC FLIRC case. Okay, there you have it. These items and a USB cable, or no, Ethernet cable, and the world's your oyster.